ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ನಗರದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವ ಸುಬೋಧ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಹೋಮ್ ಕಿಂಡರ್ ಗಾರ್ಟನ್ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 77ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ನಗರದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವ ಸುಬೋಧ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಹೋಮ್ ಕಿಂಡರ್ ಗಾರ್ಟನ್ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲರಾದ ವೀಣಾ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿದರು. 77ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕ ನಾಯಕಿಯರಾದ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಸೈನಿಕ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ.ಆರ್. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್, ವಿಶ್ವಗುರು ಬಸವಣ್ಣನವರ ಹಾಗೂ ವೀರವನತೆ ಓಬವ್ವ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಅಕ್ಕ ಮಹಾದೇವಿಯವರ ವೇಷಭೂಷಣವನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಪಟ್ಟರು.
Independence Day celebrated on 15th August of every year. It is a national festival of India. On this day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag on and floats. This day teaches us about the
celebrated 77th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. On 15th August 1947, आपको मैं भीमराव अंबेडकर का पात्र कर रही हूँ. मेरा जन्म 14 अप्रैल 1891. मेरे पिताजी का नाम रामजी सप्पल, मेरा माँ का नाम भीमबाई. मैं भारत का संविधान
ನಾನು ಬಸವಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ನೀನಲ್ಲದೆ ಜೋರ್ ಹೇಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಜೋರ್ ಹೇಳು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಚನಾಶ್ರೀ. ಅನುಭವದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶರಣರಿಗೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಭುಗಳೇ ಬಸವಣ್ಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದರ್ಶನದಿಂದ
ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲರಾದ ವೀಣಾ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. आप सभी को स्वतंत्र दिवस का शुभकामनाएं. नमस्कार एवरीवन, respected parents, my dear staff and beloved students. My heartiest greetings to all Indians for the 77th Independence Day. I am delighted to address you on this momentous occasion. India is completing 76 years as an independent nation. This day marks when we had freed ourselves from the shackles of colonial rulers and decided to reshape our destiny. Long years ago, great Indian leaders were made a trust with the destiny to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing their comfort of life. As all of us celebrate the anniversary of that day, we bow to all the men and women who made enormous sacrifice to make it possible for us to live in a free India. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day without any fear and having happy face just because of our brave forefathers. We celebrate this national festival on a vast scale in our country to honor the memory of the freedom fighters who struggled to make our country free from the Britishers. To spark the spirit of the patriotism in the youth, we celebrate this day. Our beloved country has given us everything we have in our life. We should pledge to give everything we can for the sake of the safety, security, progress and prosperity of our country. Today, children of Happy Play Home and staff are going to celebrate this day with a great enthusiastic, and shortly we'll see the glimpses of some of the national leaders who are sitting here, freedom fighters, and you can enjoy that and encourage all the children. Later you will see the children singing and dancing on the patriotic song. Please encourage them, watch the whole program.
ನಂತರ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
Of independence against British in the year 1857, and the first hero of Indian independence, Mangal Pandey, a well-known Indian freedom fighter, recognized as the forerunner of 1857 revolt against British. Since then, the struggle against the British continued, constantly committed with clarity in mind to achieve the goal. Many have laid down their life on the way to make this nation free from British rule. Finally, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the legendary freedom fighter, the reins of control were handed over to the leaders of this country. India became one of the biggest democracies in the world. It's more than 75 years of independence. India walked a long way. Our nation has built a surplus economy and defied evil forces from within to remain democracy. The country has also become one of the most celebrated science and technology hubs. In the recent, as we all know, the launch of Chandrayaan-3 on 14 July 2023 is a feather in the crown of advancement in science and technology. The spacecraft, which is now in lunar orbit, is going to make a landing in a few days from now, that is on 23rd August 2023. We feel proud to say that we are Indians as and when our country advances in different fields of achievement. When our intentions are clear as what we have to do, as what is our goal, when we are clear in mind, committed, consistent, nobody can stop us to reach our goal. This is what we observe and study from the past and the history. This is what
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಲತಾ, ಸುವರ್ಣ, ಗೀತಾ, ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿ ರಣಗದಾಳ್, ರೇಣುಕಾ, ಸವಿತಾ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಇತರರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು, ಪೋಷಕರು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು.